In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make top and bottom ranking chart in Excel using large and IF functions. First, open the workbook. Once it's open, prepare your sample data. In this example, the data is placed in cells A1 through B8. This setup gives you a simple table where one column contains labels and the other contains the values you want to rank. Before building the chart, it's important to create helper columns so Excel knows which values to display as the top results and which to display as the bottom results. Now let's create the top ranking column. In cell C1, type top 3. This will be the header for the values you want Excel to highlight as the highest 3 in your list. Next, click cell C2 and enter this formula, equals IF, open parenthesis, B2 greater than or equal to large, open parenthesis, $B, $2, $B, $8, comma 3, close parenthesis, comma B2, comma NA, open and close parenthesis, then close the IF parenthesis. Press enter. This formula checks whether the value in B2 belongs to the top 3 values in the range. If it does, Excel returns the value itself. If it doesn't, Excel returns NA, which is useful because charts ignore that result. After that, copy the formula down from C2 to C8 by selecting C2 and dragging the fill handle down to C8. Once you do that, Excel will display only the top 3 values in column C, while the rest will show as NA. Now create the bottom ranking column. In cell D1, type bottom 3, then click cell D2 and enter this formula, equals IF, open parenthesis, B2 less than or equal to small, open parenthesis, $B, $2, $B, $8, comma 3, close parenthesis, comma B2, comma NA, open and close parenthesis, then close the IF parenthesis. Press enter. This works the same way as the previous formula, except now it identifies the lowest 3 values instead of the highest. Copy that formula down to D8. Excel will now display only the bottom 3 values in column D. To create the chart, select the range A1 through D8. Go to the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click Insert Column or Bar Chart, then choose Clustered Column. Excel will generate a chart that visually compares the top and bottom rankings. You can now view the result. The chart shows only the highest and lowest ranked values, while the NA cells are ignored automatically. This makes the comparison clean, simple, and easy to understand. And that's it.